This is Brian Ierson, one of the trainers with the Computer Workshop. In today's tutorial, we're going to go over how to export and print separate artboards from a multiple artboard Illustrator file. To begin with, you can see that I have a file open here in Illustrator that has 3 separate artboards in it that are 3 different sizes. We have the letterhead, we have the envelope, and we have a business card. Should I want to print any of these given artboards, all we need to do is go to the print dialog. So going to File and using Print, or the keyboard shortcut Control or Command P will open the print dialog. Once the dialog opens, we can see we have all of our print settings, and what we really need to pay attention to here would be in the general category, where you can decide to print all the artboards, or choosing range, you'll see 1-3 currently, and that is 1 through 3. If that were a comma, instead of a dash, it would be an and I would print 1 and 3. So you can print consecutively or non-consecutively as need be. Now, of course, it doesn't tell you which artboard is which, and that's why we look over into the lower left to see the preview, and you can see you are looking at artboard 1 of 3, and there's an arrow to allow you to advance to look at each of the artboards. So then, once you determine which artboard you would like to print, you can simply come to the range field and enter that artboard's number, and then tap Print. And you would print that specific artboard. As for exporting these as images, you can always go to File, Export, and if we were to choose Export for Screens, you can see you have all of the artboards listed here. Again, looking in the top right, you can export all of these, or you could define which ones you want by switching from all to range and simply unchecking the ones that you are not currently interested in exporting. Once that choice is made, you would go through and choose whether you want this as a PNG, JPEG, SVG, PDF, or WebP. So you would choose your file format. And then when you're ready, you would tap Export. So that's how you can actually get content out of your multiple artboard Illustrator file into individual files. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please subscribe to our channel. We are putting out videos as often as we can. You can also find us on social media. And you can also find out more information about the Computer Workshop by visiting our website, www.tcworkshop.com. Until next time, take care for now.